Did you know that the fibroids can regress on their own? I have a documented case of such an incident. There was this young lady, say about 35 years. She came to me, say, some 20 years back with a history of two missed abortions and with a very unhappy feeling whether will she conceive or not, or will she deliver at all or not. She had two large fibroids, more than 10 centimeters, and were distorting the cavity. She was advised removal of the fibroid like myomectomy, oblique hysterectomy. She was very anxious that if by any chance she tries to go for myomectomy and lands up with hysterectomy, कि उसका uterus ही निकल जाए, then how will she have a baby? When she came to me, I looked at her reports. I said, you have conceived twice. So what I think is conception is not a problem. It is the continuation of the pregnancy which is difficult. Can you give me a try? And she conceived in the coming 3 to 4 months, and whatever progesterone, IV fluids, oxygen therapy we gave, and the child also grew properly in the womb, and we could deliver at term. The cesarean, although was difficult because in between the fibroids there was less space for me to perform LSCS, but the baby and the mother were safe. She came to me 3 years later at the age of say 38 or 39 with conception. She had shifted to Bhopal, but she chose to come to me because she was very scared that she may lose this pregnancy. Again, we repeated the same treatment, almost the same treatment, the progesterone, the IV therapy, the oxygen. And this time the fibroids were not growing in all the 3 dimensions. They were getting flattened and not disturbing the baby. At term, we again did a cesarean and she had a safe delivery. Then she came at the age of 42 to me just to have a regular checkup. The bleeding has also been controlled and she was not having any problem. We did an ultrasound and to my surprise, there was almost no fibroids, very tiny fibroids I could see, and the uterus was also regressing. And by 45 or 46, she has attained menopause. She has been in touch with me on the phone, and to me, this is a surprise that the fibroids have disappeared now.